Y'all definitely have to make this Texas chili for the next big game. Pat dry 2 pounds of stew meat. Coat with veggie oil. Season with chili powder, garlic powder, comino, and salt. And get your pot nice and hot. And 2 pounds of lean ground beef. Half a large onion, diced. If you like heat, add a couple jalapenos or serranos. Beef bouillon, onion powder, your favorite Creole or Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, tomato juice, chipotle sauce, and red golds, petite diced tomatoes, and roasted garlic tomato paste. Black pepper, your favorite beer. You can use non-alcoholic beer as well. 2 bay leaves, more comino or cumin, garlic powder, chili powder, 4 cups of water, and we're going to cook this for 1 hour. Did you know that Red Gold can trace every single can of tomatoes back to the actual field it was grown on? And it only takes about 1 hour to go from the tomato truck, sorted, processed, labeled, and ready to ship to the customer.